Introducing the Paco, one of the largest profiles in Luz Negra's designer pendant light range, made with high-quality aluminum. It is available in 8 different color finishes to perfectly match any interior. Azure blue, black, ivory, pastel yellow, patina green, red tomato, stone gray, and white. The profile is perfect for pendant lighting, such as over desks, kitchen islands, dining room tables, boardroom tables, and even billiards tables. You can even get a color that matches your felt. The Paco can also be surface mounted at different angles, giving you flexible and customizable aesthetic lighting effects. You can buy with confidence, knowing there is a 10-year guarantee on the profile, and 4 years on its diffusers. The large size of the Paco offers excellent heat dissipation, allowing it to accommodate high-power LED strips such as the King Protea series and Cardinal Flower series, without compromising performance due to overheating. Now, let's take a look at the internal light tray. Before we get started, let's stick some of our King Protea strip into the Paco. First, remove the adhesive backing from the underneath of the LED strip, and place it securely into the center of the light tray. Once the LED strip is in place, gently press along the length of the strip to ensure proper adhesion to the tray's surface. Let's test it now to see if the LED strip is working properly. Nice! Next, insert the tray into the profile. You can slide it in and out for easy repairs and maintenance. It also leaves an area in the Paco for power supplies and controllers. You can download the cut sheet from our website to see the dimensions of the available space. Please note that the internal light tray is sold separately from the profile, so be sure to consider this when placing an order. The diffuser is available in 2 finishes, frosted and textured microprism. Let's use the textured microprism diffuser. Simply clip in the diffuser to the internal light tray, and see how it eliminates spotting without losing light output. Now let's test it and see how it makes a difference. You will see that the diffuser has reduced the light output by 18,200 lumens, but it has also significantly improved the uniformity of the light distribution. We can also cut the Paco to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Paco. To create stunning pendant light fixtures, we recommend the Universal Hanging Kit, available for purchase on our site. We also have a short tutorial video showing you how to use it. To complete your light fixture, you'll want to use end caps. There are 8 colors to choose from. If you're interested in using the Paco for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.